Good morning, student. Welcome to part 2 series of active voice and passive voice, class 5, chapter 19. In this part, we will learn how to convert any active voice to passive. I tried to understand with this diagram. I hope you can see clearly. Yes. So let's get started. Let's first quickly remember what we have already learned. There are two ways in which we can describe action performed by the subject in relation with the object. Active voice here subject perform the action and object receive the action. Sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice and action is performed on the object by the subject. The sentence structure here is object plus helping verb plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. See an example here to make things clear. Active voice. Ravi repaired my car. Same sentence in passive voice is my car was repaired by Ravi. In the sentence is are same in meaning but the context change. In first sentence subject Ravi is given more importance and we get to know that he is the person which performing the repair activity on the car, which is an object. Second sentence we are giving more importance to the object car and the action performed by the subject rather than subject itself. Now let's see how we can convert active voice to passive voice. There are basically 5 simple steps in converting inactive voice to passive. Let's see them one by one, and I think you can see this diagram. First, identify the subject. Identify the subject, object, and main verb in any sentence. Second, swap subject with the object and object with the subject. Third, converting. Convert the main verb into the third form of verb. Fourth, add. Add a proper helping verb of to be before main verb. 5. Add preposition by before the subject. So at the end the sentence structure of passive voice is object plus helping verb plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. There are simple 5 steps which we need to follow. There are two important things that need to be remembered here. First, when replacing the subject with the object in the sentence pronoun, then conversion will be like this. Here, I become me, she become him. Sorry, he become him, she become her, we become us, they become them. Second, to add proper helping verb of to be before the main verb is helping verb decided. This is not tenses, it is main verb, right? Now we can see here some formulas which is used when we change the active voice to passive voice with tenses. Let's see some important formula. In 1, in simple sentence, in active voice, write and writes, it will be changed passive voice is, am, are and verb 3 form written. Second, present continuous tense is, are, am writing, is, are, am being written. See all formulas and note it. See, in simple present tense, active passive. He writes a letter. Passive. A letter is written by him. A letter will be come in subject place. And present continuous tense. Active. Javed is making a cake. Passive. A cake is being made by Javed. Present perfect tense. Active. Active voice. I have eaten food. Passive. Food has eaten. Food has been eaten by me. Simple past tense. Active voice. He bought a car. Passive. A car was bought by him. Past continuous tense. Active. Sarah was singing a song. Passive voice. A song was being sung by Sarah. Past perfect tense. Active. Jay had finished homework. Passive. Homework had been finished by Jay. Simple future tense. Active voice. She will accept the offer. Passive voice. The offer will be accepted by her. Future perfect tense. Active. I will have changed the battery. Passive voice. The battery will have been changed by me. These are the 8 ways which can convert an active voice to passive voice. Now I am sure that you will not have difficulties conversion of active to passive voice. I hope you will get very easily this chapter, which is 19 and class 5. Thank you.